The highlight of my athletic career was when I was in college and I high jumped my personal record to make it to the indoor conference championship, the place all college athletes want to make it to. But this wasn't my first attempt. My first year of track at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, I didn't make it to the conference championship. I trained and worked hard, but I didn't make it. Many of my teammates went and made it and came back with titles and all these great memories that they had made with their teammates. That was when I vowed I'm going to make it to the championship. It was always a goal, but I realized I don't want to miss out on these important memories that I can only make once in a lifetime. I trained harder, practiced 3 times a day, worked extensively on my form, lifted with both the team and on my own to ensure maximum athletic performance, and I did it. All my hard work had paid off, and I had made it to the championships. I was able to have the experience of a lifetime, competing with elite athletes and making those life-lasting memories with my teammates. And to that, I have to thank myself, my coach, and my teammates for my success. My coach always had a way of motivating us. She once told us the story of the chicken and the pig. The story goes, a chicken and a pig live on a farm with the farmer. The farmer does as most do and eats the animals he raises. Particularly enjoys bacon and eggs for breakfast. For the chicken, she lays an egg and she provides a contribution to the breakfast. But laying an egg is what she does. There's no harm to the hen when she lays an egg. But for the pig must commit to the breakfast, make the ultimate sacrifice for the farmer. We need to be the pig. We need to do more than just contribute to our success. We need to commit to our success. We can all be the chickens easily, but it takes guts and time and sacrifice to be the pig and commit to the goals and dreams you have for yourself. Be the pig. And anytime my coach saw our feet dragging or noticed we weren't having our best day, all she would say is, be the pig, and we knew what she meant. Hard work to me means using your time efficiently to make it all happen. We can be honors scholars, championship athletes who work a part-time job and still make time for our friends. We have the time, but how we choose to use that time determines how successful we are. It's easy to waste hours on our phones or internet or watching TV. But the hard part is putting down your phone and spending a fraction of that time working on our success. We are free to make our own choices, but we are not free from living with the results.